Hello and welcome everyone to this tour of Edmonton, Alberta in Canada. Today we will be going over the geography, history, and climate of Edmonton, some main attractions, festivals, and places to eat, as well as some fun facts about Edmonton. Starting off with geography and history. So in terms of location, Edmonton is in the west of Canada and is the capital city of the Canadian province of Alberta. Edmonton is about 300 kilometers, or 187 miles, north of Calgary, which is another large Albertan city that is maybe a little bit better known than Edmonton. And if we look over here to the left, we can see a map of Canada, pinpointing where Edmonton is. And as we can see, the province of Alberta is in between British Columbia and Saskatchewan, and just below the Northern Territories. Alberta is known for the Rocky Mountains, the Great Plains of North America, the Canadian Badlands, where many dinosaur fossils have been recovered, cowboy events such as fairs, stampedes, horse roping, bull riding, and other things like that, and for its largely oil-based economy, among other things. A brief history of Edmonton. Edmonton lies in Treaty 6 territory, a traditional gathering place and home to many Indigenous peoples, including the Nehiyawak or Cree, the Tsuut'ina, the Niitsitapi or Blackfoot, Metis, Nakota Sioux, Haudenosaunee or Iroquois, Dene Suline, Anishinaabe or Ojibway or Saulteaux, and the Inuk or Inuit. The Cree name for Edmonton, Amiskwasi-waska-haikan, means Beaver Hill House. The dense woods, wide plains, and lakes of the region made it a great hunting, gathering, and fishing territory for many nations pre-colonization. In 1795, the first European traders set up Fort Augustus north of Edmonton, and in the late 19th century, the settlement began to spread outside the fort. Edmonton was incorporated as a city in 1904 and became the capital of Alberta a year later. The climate. Edmonton, like much of Alberta, is known for its cold and treacherous winters. In the wintertime, its average daily temperatures range from a low of 5 degrees Celsius to negative 35 degrees Celsius, so it does get very cold and snowy. Summer in Edmonton, by contrast, is a time of long sunny days with heavy hitting thunderstorms and lots of heat. Temperatures during the day can be as high as 35 degrees Celsius to as low as around 20 degrees Celsius. And it is one of the cities with the most sunshine in the world. Here are some main attractions of Edmonton. West Edmonton Mall. The West Edmonton Mall is a shopping mall located in Edmonton that is run by the 555 Group. It is the largest mall in all of North America. It has a water park, an amusement park, a skating rink, a movie theater, a mini putt course, a go-kart track, a casino, multiple hotels, 2 food courts, and many different retail stores. The Edmonton Valley Zoo. This zoo is home to over 350 animals, with a wide range of species from different climates and habitats. Everything from African spurred tortoises to polar bears. The zoo is open 364 days a year, closing only on Christmas. Rogers Place. Rogers Place is a multi-use indoor arena in the downtown area of Edmonton. The arena has a seating capacity of 18,500 for hockey and 20,734 people for concerts and other events. Rogers Place is home to the Edmonton Oilers, which is Edmonton's official hockey team. The Art Gallery of Alberta. This art gallery is a 8,000 square foot museum at Churchill Square in downtown Edmonton. It has many great pieces of art from Canadian artists such as Karen Haynes, Donna Line, and Debasiage Brinkhorst. And now for some festivals and events. The Fringe Theatre Festival. Edmonton's International Fringe Festival is an annual arts festival held in August. It is North America's largest and longest running fringe festival. You may have gone to a fringe festival in your own city, as there are many all across Canada and the US. Events include live theater groups from around the world, outdoor performances, food vendors, and more. And more than 110,000 people attend every year. I believe that they paused during the pandemic, but they are back and running this August. So if any of you are near Edmonton and want to check it out, you can still get tickets. Edmonton International Street Performers Festival. This is a 2-week outdoor 3-ring circus event with comedy, music, variety performance, and physical feats, such as circus acts. There is also visual art, food vendors, live music, and much more. It is suitable for all ages, and admission is by donation. There are also many other festivals in Edmonton, as it is known for its festivals. Some of these are the Works Art and Design Festival, Improvaganza, which is an improv festival, Taste of Edmonton, which is a food-related festival, World Music Week, which of course is an international music festival, Disco in the Park, which sounds like a lot of fun, and much more. Food and fun facts. There is not really a traditional Edmonton cuisine, but since it is a multicultural city, like the rest of Canada, there are many different kinds of restaurants and food and meals that you can get within the city. So here are some of the best restaurants in Edmonton according to TripAdvisor. The Canadian Brew House, which has classic pub food and Canadian fare. Padmanabhi, which has Indonesian cuisine. Vaticano Cucina is Italian cuisine. Select Restaurant for Indian cuisine. And Harvest Room for great vegetarian and vegan options. And of course, these are just a few out of many restaurants that you can go to and enjoy in Edmonton. And some fun facts about Edmonton. Edmonton has Canada's largest planetarium. Edmonton once had the world's largest mall, the West Edmonton Mall. Now it is just North America's largest mall. Edmonton is home to Canada's largest living history museum. Also, the famous actor Michael J. Fox, who you might know from Back to the Future and other films, was born in Edmonton. Edmonton is one of the sunniest cities in Canada, and Edmonton has the world's largest cowboy boot. And over here we can see a picture of it. So that concludes our tour for today. Thank you so much for virtually visiting Edmonton.